Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this super cute ghost. Hold on 1 second, everyone. Okay, I'm back. So we are going to start by making an arrow on ours, but just real quick, we're going to need a hook, a loom, and 31 white bands, and 4 block bands. So let's get into this. So as I said, you're going to need to make this arrow. So bring white or gray over to this side and bring another white or gray to this side. And we are gonna go, oh, and skip that middle peg and go up one. Okay, then we are gonna add our block bands for, oh wait, no, we are gonna add a white band going up and same on the other side. So like this, as you see here. And now we're gonna add our eyes. I'm sorry, I literally just watched the tutorial and I wanted to make it so bad. I already have made one, as you've seen. And we're gonna take our black bands. For me, I'm using what I call Wednesday bands. We're gonna bring it up. We are gonna do this. And then we're gonna go up 3 more times. 1, 2, and 3, and we're going to repeat this on the other side. So 1, 2, so, and now we are going to add our middle for our ghost. So we are just going to go up like this. So we're going to add a band going up. And then we're going to add another band going up. And another and another and 1. So it should look like this. Here from the side. No, didn't mean to flip my loom around there. Don't flip your loom around, I'm sorry. Okay, and now you are going to add cat bands to the ends of our ghost. If you forget how to make a cat band, this is how. Put it on a finger, make an 8, flip the 8 over onto here. We're going to put this on the ends of our ghost. Just like so. Done, done, done. So it looks like this. Put cat bands on 1, 2, and 3. And now we are going to flippy. Oh wait, no, never mind. Don't flippy your loom around just yet. Keep it so your arrow is pointing away from you, or your arrow with a 1 is pointing away from you. And now, if you have, and now we are going to add a gray triangle, like so. Then we are going to add another, and then because of our eyes, we're going to add another like this. Then we're going to add another gray. So our thing will look like this. And now we're going to flip our loom around. And I'm in the middle. Okay. Sorry about that. Now flip your loom around so if you don't have an arrow, facing towards you, or you have an arrow with a 2 pointing away from you. Okay, now let's get looming. So we're just gonna go underneath our cat bands and just loom our way down. Yeah. So we are just gonna pop, 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 pop. So if you're stuck, we are gonna add one more and boop. Good number. So like this, then we are gonna go onto our middle, go underneath your cat band yet again, and you are gonna just go down your loom. So yeah. I'm sorry, I had a couple technical difficulties while making the spider video, and yeah. So we are gonna loom up again, so it's like this. Then we are gonna do what we did on this side, We're just gonna whap, 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 whap. Okay, dun 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 dun. So like this, and now for our final part, we're gonna take a band, but remember, go through all of your pieces, grab onto it, and go through, but make sure not to grab any of the other bands like this, and bring it to the middle of your thing and pull this off your loom. I'm going to use another hook because I can. So just like so. Yeah. This is for the spooky tutorials, I wanted to do this because spooky season is my favorite season. So yeah, we're gonna get this for a whole month. And now your little ghost has been complete. We're gonna make a slip knot. And how do you do that? So you're gonna take one of your bits of your band, pull it through the other part, and pull it. Try to keep it on your hook. Mine just has been falling off every time I make it. So, yeah. And this is how you make a little ghost. See you next time. Peace out.